Happy holidays, Merry Christmas from Richard at Gay Buick GMC. I want to show you this 2018 GMC Yukon XL. This is in the Iridium Metallic, sort of a dark gray, but it can also look brown in certain lights. You got the 20-inch wheels with this. You have the gasless gas cap. Something that's going to come with all of our vehicles here at Gay Family Auto is going to be our Gay Family package for you. That's going to include exterior paint protection, wheel locks, a lifetime window tint. Ever get scratched or anything, you come on, bring it on in, and we're going to go ahead and replace that for you, no cost to you whatsoever. And it's also going to come with my favorite feature, all weather mats on the inside. These are kind of weather mats you can actually drop a cup of coffee on. You don't have to worry about any of it getting on the carpet. Give me a second, I'll show you what I'm talking about. With those all-weather mats, we like to put them in as you're purchasing the vehicle. So I don't have any in the vehicle right now to show you. We don't want to get them dirty like that floor mat's dirty. We want it to be nice and fresh for you. So inside this vehicle, you got some great options. You got the hiding, I'm in reverse so that won't come up. You got the hiding box right here. Whoop. Little charger you can put in there. Some of you gun enthusiasts can put a subcompact in there. You got your backup camera with your turning lines. You're actually going to have parking sensors as well as lane keep assist on here. It's going to let you stay within your lane so you don't fall asleep at night. You're also going to have front collision alert, to let you know if there's a vehicle in front of you that you may hit, as well as rear cross traffic alert, to let you know if something as big as a grocery cart's going to be coming behind you. You also got a little place to put your sunglasses, your selector for your trunk. You're going to open it fully if you're tall, or 3/4 of the way if you're short. If you got any questions about this vehicle, give me a call, 832-666-4862. Let me know what you think. I'm telling you, I got some great numbers on it if you're looking for a Yukon XL. Have a great day.